So guys, the Nerf War is about to start.
Fight! Jaden versus Logan. And Ethan and Julian.
This is yours.
I caught it. This is yours. I got you, Jaden. Oh, but I don't want it. Got it. The Julian? I'm invading this Nerf War. No one can stop me. I'm the best. Fine. Come get me. Dodge. Alright, starting now, I'm going in destruction mode. Dead. You can't hit me once I'm picking up my bullet.
I got you.
No, you didn't. I can dodge it with my goodness.
I got you.
I slinked you with my knife. I have too many bullets.
I got you.
Ow, yeah.
Julian.
What? You dodged it.
Ow.
Got you, Julian. Give me my bullet. You're running away with my bullet.
Oh, he's back there. No one's here.
Oh. You're down. You can't pick up my bullet. You can't pick my bullet up. Come on, pick it up. By the way, you drop your weapon when you're done for 5 seconds.
Okay, I got my weapon.
No, I mean when you're down for 5 seconds, you drop your weapon. You're down.
2, 3.
You're gonna put your weapon on the ground and you have to count 1, 2, 3. Oh. Logan.
Let's get this Ethan.
Oh, he missed me. Got you. Ow! You don't even have any bullets left.
I don't?
There's one right there. I'm gonna scope you guys out. I'm on this thing. I'm just gonna put a scope on this thing. I'm gonna roll.
Horses, guys.
I got you first. You can't shoot me. Oh! I got you. I need to get a bullet. I'm ready. Got you again. That was good though, wasn't it? Oh, I missed you. I got no bullets left. I didn't get it. I got bullets. Oh, you got me. Reloading. We can't play Nerf War when two of the people are hiding the whole time. It's only, guys, this is now the Ethan and Jaden show because we're the only ones that are actually on the camera. I got you. You can't shoot. You have to fall on the ground.
Okay.
But
I'm the one that's creating the channel.
got you. I got you. I got you. You gotta fall down for 5 seconds. Everyone else did that. Got you, Quinn. Got you. I got you. Oh, you missed. That's my bullet. Whatever. Got you. I got you. He's down. He's down. Got you, Jaden. Got you. You're down. Got you. I got you. Whoa, what? Got you.
Oh my god, I have no bullet!
You don't? You do? Or you don't?
I do.
Got you. Slowed you down. So you got up and then I killed you.
What happened? I somehow used to have 5 bullets. Now I only have 2. Someone's stealing my bullets.
I stole 1. I have none left. Got you, Logan. You gotta stop there. You gotta stop there and fall on the ground. You can't move, put anything in.
Why did you steal my bullet?
You take 1 bullet. From everyone.
You took 2.
I only took 1. Luna, I only took 1. So we have to start up a team battle. Oh! I got you.
I got Ethan.
I got you, Jaden. Look behind you. That's mine. Bro, Jaden just stole my bullet.
Oh!
You want to steal bullets?
I got you. You're down. Got you, Logan. Oh no. Oh no. Got you. I got you. You know that hit you. You know that hit you. Oh no, guys. Oh no. You gotta move this. I almost broke my foot on it. You're already dead.
Guys, come and get this sword.
Come on, I got a weapon. Do you have any bullets left?
Come and get the sword.
Do you?
Come and get the sword,
Do
guys.
you? Tell me. You have to tell
He
me.
has 1.
Do you? Do you?
Oh.
You did! You missed me! You missed me!
I got this.
Here, take this. You don't have any more, do you? No, you can't hit me. I was giving you a little fight.
No, it's okay.
This is going to be my new Nerf.
Nice. Oh! I missed.
Nerf BB. Nerf BB. Nerf B MBB. Nerf bullet bag.
Guys, you guys didn't get me.
Nerf gun.
Now you're dead. You sitting on my butt. You missed me. Oh!
I shot Logan.
I'm already dead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No.
I got you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it.
Oh.
But I have to steal one.
Die. You're dead. You're gonna fall down. You can't hit me. Oh.
Who will win this Nerf War?
Okay.
How about you?
You don't have to hit him a million times. I'm already dead.
Julian, I hit you already. You're down for 5 seconds.
I've got one more. I like when you laugh, when we all laugh from the shots.
You don't. I just sent that back.
Oh, I missed. Oh. No. No, I don't have any bullets left. I need to get one.
Okay, you can have this.
I got you. I got you laying on the butt. One.
No shot.
That's a blue thing at the end. There's 2.
What?
Look.
One.
I only have 2 with the blue tip.
Oh.
I got you in.
Ow, ow, ow. That doesn't count.
Dude, you almost killed me with that. Ow.
We both won.
No, I got Logan in the head. Oh, Jade, you can't hit him.
I took this
Jade,
one on the
Jade,
train.
you have to stand up to hit him. Oh God. Oh.
Who will win this?
Grenade! Grenade!
Ah!
You're dead, Julian. I got you. You can't hit me. You can't hit me. You can't hit me. You're dead. Oh, Lou, I took my bullet. I've only got one left.
Grenade! One.
I'm already dead. Go. Got you. I got you.
Ow! You're dead.
Lord, you've got a battle bag, so that's why I took one. Throw it over there. They're both over there. Throw the grenade.
Grenade!
Boom.
Yeah, I got you.
I got you. Grenade now, guys. The grenade. Got you, Logan. Come on.
I need to follow someone.
I already got you, Julian.
No, but I didn't.
I need a phoneexplosive.com.
You're dead.
I need a phoneexplosive.com.
No, I got it. I got it before it exploded.
No answer.
Logan, you dead.
Got him. Wait, what? No, I didn't.